Oh, well, good morning, sports fans. Welcome to RV with Luck. I'm off luck. Time to get up out of bed. Though it's a little hard with the cat laid on me. That's her spot, not her bed. Right there. Put her spot on top of me. Good morning, Ninja. You ready to start the day? Yeah, me too. So by the time you see this, Thanksgiving will have already come and gone. But today is Thanksgiving Day. And as a full-time RVer, being on the road, boondocking, I have to say 99.9% of the time, there comes the issue of holidays. Now, if you have friends and family being in the RV, whether it's part-time, full-time, or in a van or living in your car, actually kind of makes it convenient to where you could drive to where you want to go to spend the holidays. That's what I did last year. I actually had friends come up to northern Arizona around me for Thanksgiving, and there probably were 20 of us there cooking turkey and ham and everything. It was great. And Christmas, I came down to the Phoenix area and visited with friends that had their friends and family over, and so it was a real nice time. Again, I was able to relocate for those. My first Thanksgiving, I have to say, I remember, I had just moved into the RV and I was in the northern Arizona forest, and I was high on just being out and being free. So I remember I had gotten a turkey meal for me, just a little one-serving turkey stuffing, things like that, mashed potatoes, gravy, traditional, green beans. And I had a turkey meal in a can, wet, moist food for Ninja, and some turkey treats. So she and I spent it just alone 2 years ago, and it was fine. I was, riding that first year high. But today kind of hit me hard. I haven't talked to my daughter in 2 years. She's 20 now, and haven't heard from her in 2 years. So that makes it tough. My dad passed away about a year and a half ago now, and my mom passed away in 98. Grandparents long passed away back in around 98 as well, 99. And that was on my dad's side. And my mom's mom, my grandma, she had passed away probably around 2000. And obviously I'm not married or in a relationship right now, and found myself not being able to be with the friends that I'd like to be with. And so it's just me and Ninja again. And I didn't even get the turkey meal or turkey treats for her or anything. So kind of is feeling kind of lonely. I did watch a recent YouTube video about this from other RV lifers, and going forward, it's what I'm going to do. It makes a lot of sense. Go to a local church, a community program, a food bank, whether it's volunteering or going and having a meal or having a service or something around other people. They may all be total strangers at the beginning, but I'm sure I'll make a friend or two. And I suggest this to you as well. Don't be alone on the holidays. We've got Christmas coming up, and more holidays in the future. And this goes to even if you're not in an RV and you're in sticks and bricks. I don't think it's right to be spending, major important holidays to you, like Thanksgiving and Christmas are to me, those alone. I think it's important to be surrounded by other human beings in some form or another. And for me, I thought, even if it means I'm volunteering somewhere, serving food at a food bank on Christmas, whatever the case may be, going to a Christmas service at a church, anything that allows me to be around others, that's what I plan to do. So thank you, Bob and Carrie. because it was your video that really instilled this in me. And I see by spending this Thanksgiving alone, it really impacted me. And it wasn't in a positive way. And I say, my motto is be positive. So going forward, that's what I'm going to do. I thought I'd take the opportunity in this video to say I hope you had a happy Thanksgiving. I know this will probably come out a week or so after. And going forward with the holidays, don't be alone. So happy Thanksgiving, everyone. As I sent out that Thanksgiving Day message, of course, when you're viewing this, it's going to be well past Thanksgiving. But look who came to give me some holiday cheer. Goodyear's finest. A couple of officers just checking on me here since, again, I am in the middle of nowhere on state land. Let me just show you their vehicles real quick. Pretty cool. Definitely support the blue, back the blue. And these guys are great. And of course, Ninja's doing nothing but flip it in the dirt. Pretty awesome. Look at that front bumper. Pretty awesome. Anyway, I did ask if it was okay to film. These guys are spot on. They said, hey, it's your First Amendment right. So great officers. I hope you all support your police, back the blue. And especially like officers like these guys are missing their families and their friends working on a holiday, and you gotta love them and support them. Well, it turns out I wasn't alone on Thanksgiving Day. I got visited by those two nice police officers. So it was actually kind of fun. We talked about them working on the job and my involvement with law enforcement back in the 90s, and I respect the heck out of them, back the blue. For doing this. They're away from their friends and family on this holiday, like many of them are, just like our servicemen and women are as well. So I think all those need great kudos and respect and honor from us. Hope again you had a great Thanksgiving. Hope you're looking forward to the future holidays. I'm looking forward to Christmas and gonna make it a bang of a one, because I'm gonna be around other people in one shape or form. So if you like this video, please smash that thumbs up button. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. It's free, and you get alerts anytime I post a new video. Go out there and be positive, be nice, be active.